Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. This will be my second English video. I'm so sorry that I recorded my first English video and said you would have one every week and then I never filmed one again. But to be honest, I've been MIA of YouTube as a whole in my Spanish videos as well, so I do apologize. I thought it would be a cool video to film and one that you would want to watch, and it's about this brand. It's like an indie brand. It's called Elcie Cosmetics and it's been pretty popular. The creator of this brand is an LA-based makeup artist. She's amazing. On Instagram she's Makeup by Lilit. Her name is Lilit something. I'm sorry, I don't want to butcher it, so I'm not gonna say it. And she's an amazing artist. Her work is amazing. She also has a YouTube channel which you should check out. And so I just went on the website and ordered 4 of her products, and her #1 selling thing is her Micro Silque Foundation, because she's like super famous for doing bridal makeup. Like, that's her specialty. And so she created what she thought was the best foundation for a bride. Let me just read what it says. It's the Micro Silque Foundation with green tea extract, white tea extract, and vitamin E. It's a liquid foundation that blends effortlessly onto your skin, leaving the appearance of smooth, flawless, matte finish. This lightweight application diminishes any skin imperfections and enhances a healthy glow to the skin for a day-long coverage with minimal touch-ups required. So it does promise a lot, and it is lightweight, anti-aging, blendable, mild transfer resistant, paraben free, vegan, gluten free, cruelty free, HD coverage. High expectations for this foundation, I might say. I hope I love it. And I did buy it in the shade Sand, which is the first shade of the medium shades. I also bought the Hydra Enhancer and Alkaline facial mist. This, I am like obsessed with facial mists. Like, I love them. And so I just wanted to buy it. And this one caught my attention because it's hydrating, replenishing, refreshing, 8.5 plus HP balance. I don't know what 8.5 means. Prolongs makeup, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, that caught my eye, and antibacterial. I don't think I've ever seen these things in a mist before, or any other makeup product anti-inflammatory, which I love, because in the morning when I wake up, my eyes are puffy, my cheeks are puffy, my hand, my feet, like I wake up all around puffy. So anti-inflammatory, yes please. And I have to say, I have used it a couple of times. I just purchased this like 2 weeks ago, but I did try some stuff here or there. For some of these, it's not gonna be my first time. For others, it will. But this, I've been spraying on my face non-stop, and I will say that I've noticed that I like it more when my face is clean, and I don't like it to set my makeup, because the way it sprays, it's gonna leave like dots and wetness and like interrupt the foundation and the makeup. I've noticed on my makeup. I did it once and I was like, not doing it again. But when my face is clean and it's naked, it smells so good. It smells like jasmine or something. I also bought the Pearl Radiance primer, and I have used this, and I have to say I really like it. It caught my attention because I have a combination skin, so when I use primers, I usually use them to target smoothing out my pores and mattifying my T-zone, which is what's oily. And then I found that this one is oil-free, water-based primer that acts as lingerie for your skin by providing a smooth, seamless, and satin-like finish. The formula brightens the complexion with a touch of pearl, boosting luminosity for a healthy and radiant glow, minimizes the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. I love that it's oil-free, I love that it's water-based, but I love that it's hydrating, and I love that it's illuminating, because even though my T-zone is combination, I love to look radiant and glowy and luminous and healthy. I'm gonna do 2 pumps, because this almost feels like it's a hydrating cream, but it primes at the same time. I love to prime under my eyes to fill those lines. And after I spread it around, I pat it in. So the last product I bought was the Elcie bronzer. Very pretty. It is very orange, kind of like the MAC Give Me Sun. So we will be trying that out. So we're about to try that foundation. Again, my shade is Sand, or the one that I think it's my shade. I haven't tried the foundation yet. There is 1 ounce of product here and the price is $45, which is on the pricey side if you ask me. I'm gonna use the mist to spray my beauty blender. I have to say, she created her own beauty sponge, but looks pretty interesting. I couldn't get it because it was sold out. Whoa, 1 pump is a lot. So let's see where that gets us. Start blending this out. So that pump covered half my face. We're gonna do 1 more pump for the rest. So the foundation is actually pretty nice. It's matte. So it does not state that it is a full coverage foundation. It says that it diminishes any imperfection and enhances a healthy glow. I don't think it has a glow, but I do have some little marks right here that it did not cover. Let me zoom you in. Don't really know if you can see it. And I have 2 red spots right here, and like acne scars that are fresh, so they'll go away, but it didn't cover those. So I do like that it looks like skin. That's the type of foundation that I love. I'm not a full coverage type of person, but for a bridal foundation I would expect a little bit more of coverage. So let's go ahead and see if this layers well. I'm gonna do another pump and I'm gonna apply it in the areas where I need more coverage. So it layered pretty nicely. I still don't think it covered what I needed it to cover with that second layer. I can still see the redness. So I'm not gonna apply any more. It's nice, I like it. I like these type of foundations. My favorite foundations are never full coverage. They're always medium coverage. I'm not disappointed. This does not say it was full coverage, but I was kind of expecting it to be full coverage because it's bright. The foundation is very lightweight and I love that. I'm going to apply my concealer now, and I've been loving the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Light. So this is an awesome concealer, but if you are interested in buying it, try going a shade lighter. I'm gonna apply some concealer in other areas of my face to brighten. I will be blending out my concealer with my beauty blender and setting it with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which is my fave. I blend it out underneath my eyes, and then I use the bottom part where I use the foundation to blend it in here on my cheek. When I set my eyes, I always take the opportunity to also set the sides of my nose, because since I am combination, I do produce a little bit of oil on the sides of my nose, and that's where my makeup breaks up right here, and that's so ugly and nasty, so I always set it. And what I've been doing also is, instead of letting that powder bake under my eyes, I press it in with the beauty blender so the skin really soaks it up. So I went ahead and contoured off camera with my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, which I love and adore. Now we're gonna use the Elcie Cosmetics bronzer and see what this is all about. I don't know how pigmented it is, so I'm gonna use like a fluffy brush. This is the MAC 137. Quite a bit of fallout, which means it's probably pretty pigmented. And it is. And this is a beautiful bronzer. It's a very warm bronzer. It's not a neutral or cool tone, so this is not something you would want to use to contour, but it is super beautiful for warming the face up. I'm gonna go back into the Elcie bronzer with my Morphe M521, which is a pretty fluffy blending brush, and take it into my crease. I love doing this. Like, I haven't used shadow in a minute. What I use is like my bronzer to contour my eyelids, and that's it. I'm gonna take it on the whole lid, not just the crease. I love bronzer on the eyes because it's designed for the face, it's so much more natural on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little liner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, a half wing. That's what I usually do. I'm gonna apply my MAC Gigablack mascara, and then I'm gonna apply these lashes, which I've been using a lot. They're the Christina Lashes. They are practically like the Ardell WSP. They're pretty natural. I'm gonna go ahead and apply all these things off camera and I'll be back. All right, so we're back with our liner, tiny sexy cute liner, and our beautiful lashes. I love these lashes. Let's complete it. Oh, and by the way, I put mascara on my bottom lashes. Before that, I ran a little bit of the bronzer down my lower lash line. Now we're gonna finish with a lip, and I am going to line with the Elcie Cosmetics Dirty Peach Liner. I'm going to fill in the lip with the MAC Peach Stock Lipstick. And we're gonna finish up with a gloss. This is the MAC Oyster Girl, and I just love this lip combo. Let's take a good look at my makeup so that we can make a decision about the Elcie Cosmetics line. And I have to say that I love it. I love everything on my face. I love how it turned out. The foundation, it applies beautifully. It looks beautiful. It looks natural, yet it covers everything. The concealer helped here wherever it didn't, and I just think it's gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. Primer is amazing. I love the primer. I really enjoy the foundation. The bronzer is beautiful, and I really love the mist as well, even though I will not actually use it to set my makeup because it will ruin my makeup. I have done it before. It'll just leave like spots on my face, and I don't like it. It makes me very angry. So I will not be using this ever to set my makeup, but I do use it to refresh and to apply it before the makeup, and I am okay with only using it for that because I have so many other setting sprays. This will just be like a primer water. So if you're okay with that, I think you would love this too. Really enjoy the line. Maybe you're interested in it too. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave any video requests down below. I want to know what you want to see so I can record that for you. I appreciate so much you watching this video, and like I always say, love yourself, value yourself, and do your makeup. Okay, see you next time. Bye.